What's the meaning of Colonel-in-Chief? Colonel-in-Chief. Colonel-in-Chief.
Colonel-in-Chief. Colonel-in-Chief. Colonel-in-Chief is a ceremonial position in several military organizations, including the British Army. It is typically held by a member of a royal family or a notable public figure, and they act as a symbolic head of the regiment. They are responsible for promoting the regiment's interests and maintaining its traditions. While they don't have any operational command authority, they may attend events or parades and may also wear a uniform associated with the regiment. Overall, the Colonel-in-Chief serves as a symbolic figurehead and helps promote the morale and esprit de corps of the regiment.